Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to create and join new Discord guilds. Start by either building a new guild or converting an existing server. If your server is eligible, you'll see an option to convert it in the app. First, choose the games your guild plays and select a playstyle: very casual, casual, hardcore, or very hardcore. Optionally, specify demographic details like game ranks or age requirements. Pick at least 3 traits that describe your guild's interest. Write a compelling discovery description to attract members and summarize your guild in 3 words. Then create a guild tag up to 4 characters and badge, which can be customized with colors and styles. Customize your guild further with a banner color scheme and style. Next, set up an application for potential members with questions like why do you want to join or what's your favorite dinosaur. Finally, sign the charter to complete the creation of your guild and proudly display your guild tag. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.